Hey everyone, hope you're having an amazing day. My name is Jerry Leo and welcome to my YouTube channel. If you like this type of content and if you're new to the channel, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how to make cinnamon rolls. Enough talking, let's make this, shall we? To make our cinnamon rolls, it's super simple. As always, all the recipes are in the description box down below. First things first, we're going to make our dough. In a bowl, add 1 cup of lukewarm milk following with 2 1/4 teaspoons of instant yeast. Give it a quick mix, then let it sit for 8 minutes to see that if your yeast is active or not. While the yeast is blooming, in a mixing bowl, add 4 cups of flour, half a cup of granulated sugar, and finally add 3/4 teaspoons of salt. Whisk it to combine, then add 1/3 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, and coat the butter with the flour mixture until there are no big clumps of butter. Once your yeast is nice and bubbly, add your yeast mixture into your mixing bowl, then crack 2 eggs plus 1 egg yolk, then mix it until it's starting to come together. After that, dunk it into your work surface and knead it until the dough is nice and elastic. If the dough is too sticky, add at least 1 tablespoon of flour because we don't want to add more than 1 tablespoon because the dough will get tougher and tougher and you do not want that. To know when to stop kneading the dough, tear a piece of the dough and stretch it wider without tearing. That means you can stop kneading the dough. If it's still tearing, just continue kneading it. After you knead the dough, shape it into a nice taut ball and let it rise for 1 to 2 hours or until doubled in size. 1 to 2 hours later, your dough should look like this. Before we roll the dough, let's make our cinnamon sugar. In a bowl, add 1 cup of brown sugar and finally add 2 1/2 tablespoons of cinnamon powder. Mix it, then leave it aside. After that, drop the dough into a floured work surface, then roll the dough about 1/4 inch thick. After you roll the dough, drop 1/3 cup of room temperature unsalted butter, then spread it out evenly, and then add your cinnamon sugar and spread it evenly across the surface of the dough. Then gently roll the dough, and that's where the name cinnamon rolls come from. And by the way, I said the dough 3 times. After that, slice them into segments. They're around 2 inches thick, then lay them on a lightly greased baking dish or a Pyrex dish, and then cover them with a damp towel and let it proof for 1 hour. 1 hour later, your cinnamon rolls should look like this. Preheat your oven to 180 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. Once your oven is screaming hot, bake your rolls for 20 to 25 minutes or until they're golden brown. 20 to 25 minutes later, take it off from the oven and let it cool down for 15 minutes. While that's cooling down, let's make our glaze. In a mixing bowl, add 4 ounces of cream cheese, then whip it until it's nice and smooth. After that, add 3/4 cups of powdered sugar, dunk it little by little, and finally add 3 tablespoons of milk. And also, I forgot, don't forget to add a splash of vanilla extract. And there you go, that's how you make cream cheese glaze. Once your cinnamon rolls had cooled down, now it's time to glaze them. Dunk the glaze on top of the cinnamon rolls, then spread them evenly. After that, it's ready to serve. This is by far the best cinnamon rolls you'll ever make. Well, there you go, my friends. That's how you make homemade cinnamon rolls. If it's helpful, please leave a like, comment, share, subscribe, and click the bell icon so you'll never miss any of my videos. I post cooking videos every Saturday. And yeah, see you guys in the next video. Bye!